Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to dive into our 2018 BMW S1000RR STG project bike, channeling a little inner pirate on that. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to install a set of Swingarm spool sliders on this bike. We've got the Woodcraft Swingarm spool sliders. Why would you put those on your bike? Well, they can offer a little bit of crash protection, right, with a big Delrin slider. But you need them to be able to lift the rear of the motorcycle and support it securely so you're able to work on it, right? When you get your sport bike and you start modifying things or riding on the racetrack, you're gonna need to be able to lift and support the rear of the bike. Most modern sport bikes, the best way to get that done is with Swingarm spools. Okay, this is a really easy install, so this might be more for the newbies than for the seasoned rider, okay? This kit from Woodcraft comes complete and ready to install. You're gonna find inside the package a little baggie that has 2 washers in it. For this model, they do want those washers installed so they can be used as additional spacers. You see BMW's kind of machined out the swing arm a little bit, so you have that little depression right there. And if you don't use these spacers, the spool slider is going to come in contact with your swing arm, which you don't want. Notice I used a little bit of blue thread locker. Never install spools without some thread locker. I'll tell you right now, you put them on there without thread locker, between all the interaction with the stand and just the vibrations, you will lose your spool. You'll be out there riding on the track. You're going to come in, you're going to be all tired, and you're going to grab your stand, holding your bike with one hand, huffing and puffing. You're going to realize, shit, man, I've only got 1 slider. Not cool. Make sure you use your Loctite. Come over to the other side. Same gig. And once we get this done, we'll need to adjust our rear stand to the width of this swing arm so we're able to lift it. And I'll run you through that real quick. We're going to use an old pit bull stand that we have handy. On this bike, we were going to initially use a Woodcraft Superbike rear stand and use it with the Litec Superbike lifters until we found, while installing the chain adjusters from Litec, that we were unable to use the Superbike lifters due to some tolerance issues that we're trying to get sorted out now with the good folks from Litec. I've got the 2 bolts up here loose right now. You want to try and make sure the stand is even, right? And they're just loose enough that I can actually move them, but tight enough that I'm able to actually lift the motorcycle. Once you got the bike up there, go ahead and torque these down. And there you have it. This is a really basic install. If you're a seasoned rider, you probably don't need to watch this, but let's be realistic. Not all the new riders even know what the swing arm spools are used for. When you're all done, double check the alignment, make sure you've got it in the best possible spot so it's easy to use. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments section of this video. I answer all those myself, and I'm here to help you get the same result from your project that we do ours.